Hello, today you join us in Chelmorton village. We're off to see the Five Wells Neolithic site. As you can see, the weather is beautiful and I finally get to try out my new raincoat. Come on! Looks like we've had some luck with the weather. We've just finished the drone filming and now it's starting to rain again. Let's continue with the rest of the route. And the rain started to fall again. Here we are in the rain. We've actually been quite lucky for most of our walks, apart from Irwood Hall. I'll put a link to that at the end. We've been quite lucky with the weather. This is our first, certainly our first really wet video ever. Even the cows have had enough and they're going in. Gonna have a little stop under these trees, change my batteries, my camera, not me, and maybe have something to eat. The sun is coming back out, thank goodness. If you don't like cows, this route might not be the one for you. That hill was surprisingly challenging, as was getting over that stile, but the tree attacked me, honest. This route might not be one of the most exciting we've ever done, but the views really are spectacular. And that's the main loop of the walk done. So now we're just heading back to the village, back to the car. Thanks for joining us on our walk today, following along on YouTube. If you've really enjoyed it, you can like and subscribe. That way you'll know when my next video is out. Every Wednesday night, 7 PM here in the UK. I'm sure there are people all over the world that are watching. And also, if you've enjoyed this route, in the link below, there's Kamut telling me what to do again. And speaking of Kamut, in the description below, you will find a link for this route on Kamut, and you can follow along. Thanks for watching. See you next time.